is there a lot of maintenance required on this machine? The answer is no. Actually, the manual's got a whole section on what maintenance is required. It's very minimal. The hardest part about it is to maintain the filters, keeping the screens clear. I've got a screen here to keep large debris out of the pump. So if I notice that my filling time is slow, then I can check the screen or anytime check the screen and clean it. The other is lubrication. We have the ability to lubricate our pumps to extend the life of the pump. So what you want to do on occasion is run a test to make sure that you're getting a 1 drop of oil for every 25 strokes of the pump. Outside of that, it's just a matter of just trying to keep the unit dry, keeping corrosion down, keeping dust to a minimum, that kind of stuff. But it's really maintenance free.